Yes.
My dear student, welcome you all for the PUC first year classes. First of all, I will congratulate you for selecting our college. Let me introduce first. I am Professor R.S. Patil. I have completed my MSc in physical chemistry. My specialization is physical chemistry from Karnataka University, Dharwad, and I have completed my B.Ed. I am in this teaching field since from last 15 years. I am very habitual or very loving of teaching. So I am working with my HOD Professor S.S. Patil sir and other two members. Other two members, that next member Professor A.S. Patil sir is going to give his introduction.
Hello, hi friends, welcome to you all in this video. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Amit Patil. I completed MSc in Organic Chemistry in 2010 and 11. I got MSc in Gold Medalist. Then I completed B.Ed, and since last 8 years I am working in this college and doing organic chemistry in this college.
Hello student, myself Shweta Pawar. I am the lecturer of chemistry department. I completed my MSc in Jyoti Bhaurav Kakatwar College from Rani Chennamma University. I completed my B.Ed in Rani Chennamma University, and we are dealing with chemistry subject.
Yes, students, I think now you got familiar with all our chemistry faculty member. So let me interact with you. What is to be required or what is to be needed for the science or for the chemistry? So because of this corona pandemic, our department or all over the world, all the activities got stuck up. Therefore, we are lacking behind to start the school and colleges. But the alternate option for that is video classes. So we are interacting with you on video classes, but we cannot send you the notes or writing material right now. It doesn't mean that you are not supposed to read anything. You have so many things required to be done as a basic for the PUC first year chemistry. So look here, chemistry is volatile subject. It is the subject which you understand when we teach, but immediately will forget. Therefore, it required the writing practice. In other words, you can say chemistry you have to prepare like mathematics. You know, mathematics you cannot read it. You have to write and you have to do the practice. Likewise, chemistry also you have to read, write and you have to get it perfect. But before that, what basic points are required? So, you know that in chemistry, you all are required to write the formulas. To write the formulas, you are going to use the symbol. So for example, if you want to write the molecular formula of the water, you know molecular formula of water is what? H2O. But you have to write this properly. Here you cannot write like this, H2 and O. So always you have to use the capital letter of this H. 2 should be written as a subscript and O should be capital at par with this hydrogen. So these all things you have to learn. And to write this formula, first you have to remember which are the symbol for the element. For example, hydrogen and oxygen, it is there in the water molecule. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. But you should know, hydrogen symbol is H and oxygen symbol is O. Correct? There are some elements with the Latin words. For example, sodium, it is there. Sodium symbol is not S. If you take sodium, symbol is not S. What is the symbol of sodium? Na it is there. Why this Na is the symbol for sodium? Because the natrium, this is the Latin word you are going to use to write the symbol of sodium. So such symbols, you are not supposed to write sodium, yes, potassium, P. So for potassium, you know, the symbol is not P. The potassium symbol is what? K here. Likewise, there are the symbols for the elements, and those symbols already and elements we have already discussed in 9th and 10th standard. All those elements with their atomic number you have to list out. If possible, we will send you. That you have to get it copy and you have to learn it, you have to remember this symbol. Then after this, some concepts are there, that is in organic chemistry, like hydrocarbons, methane, ethane, propane. You know alkane, alkene and alkynes. So what is the general formula for alkane? What is the general formula for alkene, alkyne? All those you have to remember or you have to learn. If possible, you have to make a separate page and you have to write alkane, alkene, alkyne general formula and which are the members in the alkane, like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, etc. So that all it is required, that at this stage you can prepare it, because you are not dependent on the college authority for this material. This material right now it is with you, because in 9th and 10th standard you have discussed that you have to list out and you have to prepare it. So this is regarding chemistry basic. As and how you prepare, we will be telling you what basics are required, that you have to search from the 10th and 9th standard book and you have to prepare it. This is regarding chemistry. But very important concept is the 90% of the students face, that is the English problem. You all people, majority of you have completed your SSLC or 10th standard, that is in your mother tongue, in Marathi, in Kannada, in Hindi, in Urdu. But here when you start learning all the subjects in English, you will face the biggest difficulty. But you only have to solve this difficulty. You only have to overcome with this problem. So what best you can do here? Now you have to purchase one dictionary. So dictionary you have to purchase, that is English to your mother tongue, English to Marathi, English to Kannada, English to Hindi. The small dictionary, and you are not supposed to take the normal Oxford dictionary. As you have taken admission in science branch, you need to take science dictionary. So for 50 or 80 rupees, science dictionary is available. That science dictionary you have to purchase. Then what else is required? So some problems or some sums will be getting in the chemistry. To solve those problems or solve those sums, you require simple calculator. So I told you, first you have to purchase science dictionary. Second, you have to purchase simple calculator. So simple calculator is also 100 rupees or 120 rupees. These things are not costlier, but the matters a lot. If you have the science dictionary, you can find out the difficult word meaning of the difficult word that when you get while learning this science. So therefore, science dictionary is must, and simple calculator. And one more thing it is there, log table, but that log table you can purchase in the second term. But right now what it is required is dictionary, that is science, and simple calculator. Apart from this, you have discussed, that is periodic table. You know the periodic table is like this. In 9th standard or 10th standard you have discussed this. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Likewise you have the elements placed in the periodic table. So the xerox of this periodic table always you have to keep it with you. Because if you want the atomic number of the lithium in periodic table, very easily you can get it. Got it? And once you fix for this, next concept is electronic configuration. How to write the reaction. All such basic points you need to remember here. At this lecture, we don't want to add much knowledge or much burden on you. You feel free and you have to prepare these basic. And what important in the science branch is, sincerity is very, very important. You are not supposed to neglect things. Each and everything you have to take sincerely. And for that, you have to work hard and you will get success definitely. And with this basic, we'll continue with the actual syllabus in the next class.